All right, this time we are going to do a double replacement reaction where we have to predict the products. So it works the same as what we've been doing. We have to decode. It's copper 2 bromide, Cu plus 2, Br minus 1. Solution, aqueous. Pour it into a beaker. Okay, so it's going to be mixing with that beaker of aluminum chloride, Al plus 3, Cl minus 1. And that again is a solution, so aqueous. Creating bubbles. So now we know that there's a reaction. So I did a reaction arrow there. We're yielding some new products. Okay, and it's called cation swap for a reason. Double-headed arrow pointing to both of the cations, which are always the first in the couple. And they're going to be swapping places. So aluminum is now going to be with bromide. Al plus 3, Br minus 1. Crisscross. Remember, crisscross everything except covalent. Okay, so aluminum bromide, and we're going to guess that is aqueous. Remember, for right now, you're just guessing in year one what those state symbols are, and then we'll do some more information on how to predict state symbols later. Okay, and then copper is going to go with the chloride. Okay, and it's copper 2 chloride, crisscross, and again, I'm going to guess aqueous. Okay, now, you might have noticed that both of these are aqueous, and you might have learned that if we have all aqueous, then there's no reaction, but it still has to show me a balanced chemical reaction. So even if you get that they're all aqueous, still keep going and do a balanced chemical equation. I'm going to rewrite it. CuBr2 aqueous plus aluminum chloride aqueous yields aluminum bromide, bromide, 3 of them, aqueous, plus copper chloride aqueous. Okay, and if you wanted to, you could put an X there to say that you know it's no reaction, but you still need to balance it. Copper, copper, chlorine, chlorine. Oh, chlorine has a 3 too. Please come in multiple. Okay, so 3 times 2 is 6. 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, so, and now bromine. Bromine has a 2. Bromine has a 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 2 times 3 is 6. So now let's check. 3 coppers, 3 coppers. Okay, so still do that chart at the end. If you're now starting to see how you could just fill it in, go back at the end and do your chart, because you're showing me that you have proved conservation of mass. 3 coppers, 3 coppers, 6 bromines, and you're checking for errors too. 6 bromines, because you know I have errors a lot of times when it comes to these. Can't multiply. 2 aluminums, 2 aluminums, 6 chlorines, 6 chlorines. Conservation of mass is met.